Hey Amazon, you clicked on this review for something fun, and that fun is these little pink salt and pepper shakers with glass bottoms. So what do we think about these salt and pepper shakers? Well, they're a nice throwback retro style 50s diner kind of fun salt and pepper shaker. And the fact that they come in pink, which is the color my wife wanted to do her kitchen in, works great for me. It makes my wife happy, which makes me happy. A couple of neat features about these. First, you can see the writing that's on the front. It's a cool style. Really pops out the black against the pink, so that looks good. You have a glass bottom, so it shows the salt in there. You can see we have a little rice in there to help keep this dry. And the fact that up top you can see there's an S on the salt and a P on the pepper. The tops unscrew, and you can see it's a pretty wide mouth for pouring in the salt and pepper into these shakers. The texture along the outside isn't rubbery, but it's not slick. So you have a good grip on these, so they're not going to fall out of your hand and break anytime. So would I recommend these? Absolutely. Well, first off, these make my wife happy, which makes me happy. So that's a good enough reason to buy right there. But the color, they just pop out whenever we put them out on the table. They have that neat 50s style, which adds a little bit of fun to the table at the same time. They're wide mouth. They have the glass bottom, so you can see that the salt and pepper is in there. There's really no reason not to buy them unless you don't like the color. So I know this was a quick review, Amazon, but I hope it really helped with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.